All bullies are cowards. I have been used to be homeless my entire life. Most time, I get bullied. At first, yes, I isolated myself and cried. But now I'm stronger. I came to a realization that all bullies are cowards. They know themselves as worthless, despicable, don't deserve to live with humans. They need to prop up their ego and self-worth by choosing easy targets, the powerless victims who can't fight back. Getting bullied taught me humility. I would rather be a little nobody than be an evil somebody. I will not stoop into their level. If my pain is the reason for somebody's laugh, then my laugh must never be the reason for somebody's pain. Never make fun of something that a person can't change about themselves. Take care. Bye.